Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam Ninja, and the title of the video is Karens Think They Can Bully Police Without Consequences. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they're talking about.
On February 26th, 2023, police in Ohio responded to a motel for a disturbance involving a large group of people.
Call me 380 60.
Do not spit on me. Do not spit on me.
I ain't even spit on you.
No. Don't touch. Stop. Don't touch. No.
Put your hands on me.
I will if you don't calm down. I will.
There's no sense in that.
Stop tripping. Stop tripping. Come on.
I'm tripping.
You tripping.
Take me home. Give me the over.
Sounds
Take me
As
over.
soon as he walks by, he starts spitting on me when he talks.
Give me over.
Idiot.
The next time he's loud.
See me. Any one of y'all want to touch me when y'all feel like y'all better. This is your warning.
I already gave you one.
Okay, stop.
I ain't.
Chill.
This threat to anybody will put their hands on.
No,
You know what I'm saying?
protecting you. Put your
Warning number 2.
Y'all are female.
Stop.
I touch y'all. I got a sword. I'll punch you in your face right now. Because, I'll punch you. I'm not going to do that.
He's going to end up going.
Either motherfucker, I don't know. I don't give a f***. All right, I'm by myself. You're under arrest. For what? For what? You're under arrest. Get back. Get back. Get back.
He had a chance.
Y'all can't do that.
No.
No, y'all can't do that.
Get back. He had a chance.
Get
No,
back.
no.
Boy, didn't this man just say that he was gonna punch one of them in the face? Am I bugging? Or did I hear that correctly? Before the cops ended up walking in the little hall or whatever, he was still arguing with with the ladies and stuff like that, whatever. And he's like, I'll punch you in your face. And now these same ladies are defending him. Come on now. I get it. They were trying to calm him down from the very beginning. They was doing their job or whatever. But him, some people just gotta go. Some people gotta go. You know what I mean? Not go permanently, but I'm saying gotta go to jail. They gotta go sit in that holding cell for a few hours and chill out because they can't do it on their own. He should have just went upstairs, went to bed.
No, not pushing me.
No. He had a chance.
Yes, sir.
Y'all cannot arrest him like that. Don't touch me.
Back up or you can go next.
Don't touch me.
Back up or you can go
Don't
next.
touch me. Y'all cannot arrest him.
We already did.
Hey, no. She's got a gun. She's got a gun. Hey, she's got a gun right there.
I got my gun license.
No,
I got my gun license.
you're under arrest.
I got my gun license. I got my. No, I'm not drunk.
No,
No,
you're
I'm not
under
drunk.
arrest. Get off of me. You're going to.
No, I'm not drunk at all.
You're under arrest.
Wait, hold on. Cause you can't, I'm pretty sure you can't carry a firearm if you're intoxicated. I'm pretty sure that's illegal. I don't know though. So let me know in the comment section. I mean, I'm like 90% sure that's illegal.
I'm not drunk.
You had a gun and a board.
I
Get down. Sit down.
Here, I got her.
You better get the off of her. I got my gun license. I got the gun.
Back up. You're going to.
Well, you're intoxicated.
I'm not drunk. It don't matter. I'm not drunk. That have nothing to do with it. It don't matter.
Back up or you're going to. Back up. Babe, y'all
I'm not drunk.
listen. Why do you have her handcuffed?
I'm not drunk. Why you got me? I'm not drunk.
You just had a gun thrown out.
I got my gun
You
license.
can't have a gun in a bar.
I got my gun license.
Back up. I'm not going to tell you again. You'll go too.
My friend is like,
I got my gun
I don't
license.
give a shit. You can't have a gun in a bar.
I'm not in a bar. This is a hotel.
Do not spit on me.
This is a hotel.
I'm telling you, my friend is officer to shoot your ass because you're doing too much.
I'm not about to shoot nobody. I'm not shooting nobody. This is a hotel. I'm not in a bar.
She ain't.
I'm not in a bar.
She ain't.
They are serving alcohol here and you have a gun. You cannot
I'm
have it.
not drunk at all.
Doesn't matter.
Okay, can I get this hair out my mouth?
Back up.
No.
Can I arrest my leg?
No, y'all lying.
Can I search you? Can I lay it over?
Oh my God, who is this? Y'all see the face she making? Now this lady need a spokesperson? Come on, man.
They are serving alcohol here and you have a gun. You cannot
I'm
have it.
not drunk at all.
Doesn't matter.
Okay, can I get this hair out my mouth?
Back up.
Can I arrest my leg?
No, y'all lying.
Can I search you? Can I lay it over? I can't breathe. I cannot breathe.
No, I got my
That one just want to be heard. She just want to be a part of it. She just want to be heard.
gun license and I can give y'all my license.
It don't matter.
I can't
It
breathe.
does.
You can have a gun
And
and
I am,
I'm not in a liquor. I'm not in a bar.
Please, back up.
I'm not drunk
Right
at
now,
all.
back up.
What's the problem?
I'm not drunk.
you can not have a gun.
I'm not drunk. What you talking about? I'm not drunk.
mad already.
Okay, get the fuck out.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye.
Doing the same thing
Bye.
you're doing right now.
Which is
You're
what?
going to do this next.
Bye.
Back away from us and go.
So,
Yes, I just like these people are doing us. It's very easy.
bye.
What can you
Bye. Show on
Go away!
I
Hey, I'm done.
I'm really.
Key, calm down.
No,
Key, stop. Key, stop. Get this hair out of my mouth. Get this hair out of my face. Get this hair out of my face.
I was in school for 4 years.
Get this hair out of my face. I need her to get it. Girl, chill out.
Hey, his lapel's right there. Stop. Stop. I'm done with your attitude.
I'm done with
You're
yours.
so fucking done.
You're done.
Inglewood 112, we're all right. We got 2 in custody, 1 governor covered.
You about to make me fall. Like, calm down.
Okay, well then stop resisting on me.
It's
Do you have
rocks and
anything
stuff.
else on
No,
you?
it's rocks and stuff on the floor. Like, you about to make me fall. Like, you doing too much.
Yeah, well, you're the one with a gun around everybody
And
drinking. I don't give a shit. That
I
doesn't
don't
matter.
give a shit either. Like,
No sense in this. Put everyone at risk tonight.
I didn't do nothing.
Okay.
I didn't do nothing. Like, y'all let the motherfuckers that did shit leave.
Well, maybe if you guys had talked to us when we got here.
I was trying to.
Really? Because all you said is you didn't give a about anything.
I don't.
Get in the car.
Can you loosen these? These hurt. I cannot sit down with these. They hurt.
Your wrists can turn completely freely on both of them, and they've been locked.
Well, they hurt.
Okay, well, I can put 2 fingers. They're looser than even policy.
But they still
in.
hurt. Like,
Okay, they're not
hurt.
made to be comfortable. Get in the car.
Girl, calm down.
She must think they the fuzzy handcuffs you use in the bedroom or something, man. up with her? Listen, they got plenty of room. You good. You good. They not the fuzzy ones. They the regular ones. They gon' feel like that, sweetheart. They gon' feel like that, man. But listen, I feel like typically when I say, you know, when you're a female, you don't want to interact with another female officer, blah, 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 blah. But honestly, that female officer was pretty fair. She was pretty fair. I think for the most part, you know, the guys were, you know, a little bit extra in the beginning, but the initial guy that was making all the hooting and hollering or whatever, he deserved it. He deserved to go. He was doing too much. He was doing way too much. You know what I'm saying? Doing way too much. So he deserved to go. And he said that he was going to punch one of them in the face. And they're the ones that turn around and defend him. So you could go too.
I'm gonna comply.
No, yeah, you back up.
Shit,
y'all acting like, bro, like.
Acting like nothing we're seeing. We're not doing anything until everyone had to march up and get in our faces and scream. This is not what we like to do. This is not fun.
That's crazy.
So my whole
It is
thing
crazy.
is,
It is.
Who'd you get the gun off of?
her.
She had a
In the
gun
back.
on her?
Yeah. She had a gun on her.
They don't fuck with
Do what?
Put a gun.
Female in the black that I just put in the back of my car had a gun on her.
I got family and that's just.
Do what?
What the
So why you getting crazy on that guy?
Because he just fought all these officers and spit on me.
Why is he in the car? Yes, you do.
They don't gotta explain nothing to you. First off, you all in her face, you all in the officer's face with the camera and all that, trying to ask her questions like you a reporter or something. Man, get your ass on, bro. Get on somewhere, man. If I'm that cop, I'm not answering nothing. Are you a part of it? No. I ain't gotta tell you. They grown adults. What the hell is wrong with you, man? And you way too close. Them officers need to back their ass up. Way too close. Look at this. I'm gonna show you something. This should not happen. Watch this. Look at this. Look how close this guy is right here. These officers can't even turn their back to deal with this guy and figure out what's going on because you got him right here literally on their back, bro. Way too close, bro. Back up. You can record. We got good phones. Look, iPhone, what's this joint? The new joint. What we on? Whatever. 16? Yeah, 16. You know, iPhone 16, you can zoom in 5 times now. You know what I'm saying? Super boop. Joint clear. You hear me? Like, come on, man. You don't need to be right up on them officers like that.
Absolutely.
Back up. You're interfering with what we're doing.
We're not
Back
interfering.
up.
It's a physical act.
I'm smart.
Back up.
Why you getting crazy on that guy?
Because he just fought all these officers and spit on me.
Why is he in the car? Yes, you do.
Can I get your name and badge?
It'll be in the report.
Can I get your name and badge?
Yeah.
Step away from me. Step away from me.
Badge number.
Do you want me to take her?
What's your badge number?
Can I get your name and badge?
Absolutely.
Back up. You're interfering with what we're doing.
We're not
Back
interfering.
up.
It's a physical act.
I'm smart.
Back up now. I'm done. I'm done. Record. Back up.
I'll back up. I'll back up.
Oh, that's
I'm done.
Yo, I'm arresting all of they asses, bro. All of they asses, bro. They all going. Boy, see, that's why I can't be a cop. I'm gonna be quick with the cuffs, boy. Oh, what? Oh, listen, I'm gonna tell you 2 times. If I gotta tell you a 3rd time, you're going. I don't even gotta get to a 3rd time. There is no 3rd time. Back up, you too close. Back up, you too close. If I feel the need that I'm gonna have to say it again, put your hands behind your back. Now you're going.
Yes, I am done. And you're drunk.
Can I get your name and badge? Name and badge.
Back up, you're gonna be arrested. You are gonna be arrested for interfering. Back up now, both of you.
Back up. Hey,
Intoxicated. Y'all don't know.
You're drunk in public. Back up now.
I don't know him. But y'all don't know him.
I don't have to.
Name him back.
Y'all being weird. Y'all don't know I went to school for like 4 or 5 years. I know
Transfer her down.
all day long.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.